If you're looking for a quick and easy meal idea, make your next dinner fiesta with my Mexican beef and rice skillet. To make this dish, you'll need to chop up some bell peppers, some onion, and some garlic. Now that our veggies are ready, we can start cooking our skillet. On medium-high heat, drizzle in some olive oil and start cooking your bell peppers and onions. Then add your garlic, cook for a few minutes, and then add your ground beef. Break it down and cook it until brown. Add in the salsa, the tomato paste, and stir them in to combine. Then add in your beef broth and the rice and make sure that the rice is well incorporated. Add your jalapenos and your spices and then simmer the rice until cooked. Add your corn and your black beans and stir them in. Take the pan off the heat and then stir in your grated cheddar. Garnish with sour cream and lime and you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchToastCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.